Hey guys, it's Josie here from Nutrisize. Lisa and I are going to have a look at Mount Beecroft today. It's been raining on and off and it's stopped at the moment, which is good because we just started our walk. You can access the Mount Beecroft from Belvoir Road, or Belvoir Road I should say. And yeah, it's part of the PCT, or the Penguin Cradle trail, so it's quite easy to find. I'm just parked on the road there and we're going to have a look at this beast. You got Cradle Mountain in the background there, it's covered in clouds, so hopefully when we get a bit further in it clears up a bit, but hey, who knows. Okay, we'll check out the sights. So far the trail has been like this, quite watery and muddy. So yeah, probably not the best to come after a huge downpour of rain the night before, or snowing, but hey, just gotta go and do it. Okay, so about an hour in, you've got Mount Roland in the distance there, Western Bluff, you've got Cradle Mountain in cloud there, and Bar Bluff in cloud. Starting to get a better look at Mount Beecroft. Some dark and ominous clouds are coming in, but hopefully they flow off pretty quickly and a bit of blue sky comes through. Okay, so hour and 30 in, we're starting to get a good look of Mount Beecroft. Summit straight up there. See how long it takes us to get there. There we go. You. The summit of Mount Beecroft. Mount Beecroft. So heading north, we've got St Valentine's Peak, panning around to the west coast, heading towards the Tyndall Ranges, Mount Reid, Mount Murchison over the back there. Panning across, we've got Barn Bluff. You can just see parts of it, but it is mostly in cloud, at least the top half. Cradle Mountain starting to show itself a little bit more, but there's a bit of cloud hanging around the summit. Mount Campbell, panning across a little bit more. We're heading over towards Western Bluff, and over the distance there you've got Mount Roland, and then you've got the Black Bluff Range in front of us. So yeah, on a clear day you'd get phenomenal views of a lot of peaks, but we've been copping a bit of snow and a bit of sleet, so the views could be a lot better, but hey, can't complain. We can still see a lot of peaks, and it could be a lot worse. The whole Mount Beecroft could be covered in cloud. We can see anything else. So yeah, pretty blessed. Still great views. A bit cold up the top here. We managed to get up here in 2.5 hours, and it's going to probably take us about 2 on the way back down, because we had a lot of stops on the way up here, and the uphill climb really slowed us down a bit. So yeah, allow yourself 4 to 5 hours return, and especially on a good day. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next adventure video. Cheers.